going to be showing you some stuff I got at We Slaughter Barbecue in Bastrop, Texas. The gas station, which is this gas station they used in the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Okay, first we got a menu. Which you can also get a bowl of chili. Just watch out for the peppercorns. Got a postcard. Texas cutlery. And I think this is what it looked like in the movie. You can see the shadow of the chainsaw dance, which is cool. So a We Slaughter Barbecue enamel pin. I'm not a big fan of Coca-Cola since they went all PC. A magazine dedicated to Texas Chainsaw Massacre. A gas station trucker's hat where barbecue is slaughtered. And I got this. It's from The Fog. It's Captain Blake. And it says his eyes light up. If you want to read that, just pause it and read it. But that's everything. Definitely good barbecue, so you should go check it out.